Ever wondered what data access means in business intelligence? It's a fascinating concept, and understanding it can unlock a world of insights for businesses and individuals alike. Today, we're diving deep into the world of business intelligence, or BI, to demystify this complex but crucial concept. The first step towards understanding data access in BI is to grasp what business intelligence itself means. Picture business intelligence as a set of strategies and technologies that companies use to analyze business data. It's like a powerful magnifying glass that businesses use to scrutinize their data and draw meaningful insights. Now imagine a treasure chest full of jewels. That's your business data. But what good is a chest if you can't open it? That's where data access comes in. In the realm of business intelligence, data access refers to the ability to retrieve and manipulate this treasure trove of business data. Think of data as being stored in different rooms in a vast mansion. Each room is a different database, and the keys to these rooms are what we call access rights. Data access ensures that the right keys are in the right hands. In other words, it manages who can access what data, when, and how. Data access in BI is not just about opening doors though, it's also about making sure that the data, once accessed, can be understood and used effectively. This involves organizing and structuring the data in a way that makes sense for the user. So, how does this all come together? Well, imagine a business analyst wanting to understand sales trends. They would need access to the sales data, which might be stored in a specific database. With the right data access rights, they can retrieve this data, analyze it, and draw valuable insights. But remember, with great power comes great responsibility. Data access in BI must be carefully managed to ensure data security and privacy. After all, you wouldn't want just anyone to have the keys to your mansion, would you? To sum up, data access in BI is all about retrieving, organizing, and using business data effectively. It ensures that the right people have the right keys to access the right rooms in the data mansion, and it does so while maintaining the security and privacy of your business data. So the next time you hear the term data access in BI, think of a grand mansion filled with treasure chests of data. And remember, holding the right key can unlock a world of insights. This has been a journey into the heart of business intelligence, shedding light on the crucial role of data access. It's a complex concept, no doubt, but hopefully, it's a bit clearer now. After all, understanding the keys to your data mansion can make all the difference in the world of business.